How to select ranked game mode in Fortnite. So first, you simply need to scroll down and search for the buy epic section right here. So this one. Now I'm just gonna expand it by clicking on the arrow button right here. And then once I'm here, I'm just gonna pick a game. So let's say I want to play the battle royale right here. So I'm just gonna click battle royale, then select. And once you're there, just simply click on this button above the play button right here. And I'm just gonna set this so it's currently turned off. So I'm just gonna set it to on right here by clicking on it or by clicking on the R key on my keyboard. You could also set it whether it be solo, duo, trio, or squad. So if you want to go squad, you could also have the option to add no fill or fill, where if you set it to fill, it will automatically add teammates for you. But if you do it no fill, it won't add teammates for you, and it's basically like a solo squad. So you're only the only person on that squad, and your enemies would be a team of four, so something like that. So if you don't want that, just set it to solo, and you're good to go.